Hello friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today we'll be learning how we can create a chart bar in a Excel column based on the value, corresponding value in the other cells. Okay, so it will be better. It will be a great thing if you can represent the data in a chart form. So I will show you how we can do it. Okay, with an example, we have a table over here right now. We have name, marks, and another column for chart. The chart column is empty. We have to fill it with a chart. So I will show you how we can create a chart bar with that. Okay. So let's place our cursor on the cell D3. So the formula, there's a small formula for that for creating a chart bar. So the formula is like uh, repetition function. That's REPT. Uh, the function actually repeats a given number of times for a particular data. So REPT opening bracket, then inverted comma, and I want to chart to be in the form of a pipe formula. So I am entering a pipe symbol. The pipe symbol is entered and close the inverted comma. Then apply a comma there. Then we have to enter the uh, number of times that this pipe should be displayed. Okay, the number of time this pipe should be displayed in the column. So the number of times the pipe has to be displayed is the actually the marks, the number of marks. So I'm clicking on C3, which is 32. Okay, I clicked on that and I just click on the enter button. See, the chart has appeared. So if you drag down the formula to the other cells, it will be like this. Okay, but actually the issue is that the chart has exceeded the length of the cell, so it doesn't look good. So it can be sorted out by applying by changing the font of the cell. Okay, there's a font called Playbill. The Playbill font can be applied. So I am just changing the font over the top here. Just just type Playbill, Playbill. Yeah, it's there. Click on that. Yeah. So this is a Playbill font, and actually the chart has come inside the cell. Now just drag the cell towards the toward downwards. You can see it's amazing, right? The chat is fitting inside the cell and it also looks really professional. You can really prepare data and reports using this repeat function. So if you change the value anywhere, the graph size will go the graph size will also change. For example, for the this cell Salim, I'm changing to 23. You can see that the graph will become small. See, if I make it 80 in for Preeti, the graph will become big. So in this way, you can actually create reports and presentations to impress your bosses and other authorities. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and share this video and also provide your valuable comments in the comment section. And for those who are coming for the first time onto this channel, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel along with clicking on the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload new videos on this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.